In this video, we'll show you how to integrate ZATCA using FAI or Taxilla, so your invoices are always compliant with ZATCA Phase 2 and automatically transmitted. Now, let's go step by step to get everything set up. Step 1. Setting up your company details. We need to configure your company information. Go to Settings, Company, and fill in all required details under Address Information. Next, go to Settings, Account, Financial Settings, and under Sales Tax, enter your company's VAT details. You need to provide your tax registration number, 15 digits, and Taxpayer Identification Number, 10 digits. Then, go to Settings, Account, Tax Rates, and create the necessary tax rates and tax categories, making sure to include your Fai ID. This ensures that your company is correctly registered for ZATCA reporting. Step 2. Adding customer information. Now, let's set up your customer details. Go to Account, Customers, and fill in the following under Basic Info. Customer name. Customer registration number. Under Financial Information, make sure to include
Tax treatment.
tax registration number, source of supply, tax rate, currency. Lastly, complete all fields in Address Information. ZATCA requires all of these fields. Missing any details can cause errors when submitting invoices. Step 3. Setting up the invoice approval process. We need to configure the invoice approval workflow. Go to Settings, Automation, Approval Process. Find Sales Invoice in the drop-down list, and adjust the approval process to match your company's needs. Step 4. Finalizing the integration. Once all settings are configured, complete the provided integration setup table. Send us your completed table and company ID via email or WhatsApp. While you complete your setup, our team at KPI.com will create a new entity in the FAI system, set up invoice prefixes in FAI, configure webhooks and map items, then enable the Connect to ZATCA, run a recurring query to sync all customers with FAI. Step 5. Establishing the connection between ZATCA and KPI.com. Once all necessary steps have been completed on both sides, visit zatca.gov.sa and select e-invoicing. Choose Fatura platform. Log in using your credentials. Once inside the portal, navigate to the Fatura simulation portal. Generate the OTP and share it with us. The simulation mode OTP grants access to the Fatura simulation portal, allowing us to perform comprehensive end-to-end functional testing for taxpayers. Once the testing phase is successfully completed and both parties are satisfied, the user must request a real mode OTP from the Fatura portal. This OTP is valid for 1 hour, so we kindly ask you to provide it during working hours, ensuring in advance that we are available. Upon receiving the real mode OTP, we will update it in the KPI and FAI systems, finalizing the integration. At KPI.com, we strongly recommend that all companies undergo testing in simulation mode before proceeding with real mode OTP submission to ZATCA. If a client chooses to proceed directly with real mode OTP without prior testing, KPI.com will not be held responsible for any incorrect data submitted to ZATCA. Step 6. Creating and sending an invoice. Once your integration is complete, you can start generating invoices. After you create and approve an invoice, you will see 2 status messages in the invoice history. 1. Authorization successful. The invoice is recognized. 2. Data successfully transmitted. The invoice has been sent to ZATCA. Step 7. Checking your invoice in Taxilla. To verify your invoice transmission, log in to your Taxilla account. Check the latest invoice. You should see a status of "in progress." If there are any issues, you'll see a red exclamation mark. Click on it to view and fix any errors. Your invoices will be automatically processed, keeping you fully compliant with Saudi VAT regulations. Now you're all set to manage your invoices with ease and confidence using KPI.com. If you need help at any step, our support team is ready to assist.